What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show you how to make a food cozy. What is a food cozy, you say? Well, let's see. It is a insulated bag for you to rehydrate your meals in the backcountry. These come especially in handy if you make your own dehydrated meals, because a lot of times people put them in just Ziploc bags and they don't have this insulated material. But sometimes I find that even this insulated material doesn't keep my food quite as warm as I would like to, especially in those early spring, late fall backpacking trips where the temps are dropping at night when you're eating dinner. And so I don't know about you, but having a warm, just feel good meal in the backcountry is one of my favorite parts. And so we're gonna make a food cozy today. So I have decorated mine. I think that they're fun. I think they're a cool way to bring your personality into the backcountry. I think that it's also cool because you can buy this stuff, you can DIY it. I know there's some out there for sale. They're not that expensive, but I don't know, it's a fun thing to do. And I bought a bunch of material, and so I'm gonna make some for my friends who backpack as well, who don't have food cozies. And so I think it'll be a fun little gift for my outdoorsy friends. So let's talk about what you need. You need to have at least one backpacking meal so that you know what size to make your food cozy. I backpack with a bunch of different kinds of meals, and so I'm gonna make one that fits both of these options. You also need some Gorilla Tape, some Velcro, a ruler or a tape measure or something like that, a Sharpie, a pair of scissors, and then most importantly, your Reflectix material. So let's get into it. So the first thing that you want to do is you can use your tape measure if you want at this point. You don't have to, but you're going to pick about 1 inch or 2, and we're going to go ahead and fold that down. Okay. From there, I have folded these backpacking meals. The reason is because when I'm in the backcountry, this will have already been ripped off so that when I pour in my water, this will be all that of the bag that I have. So we're going to take the top of this folded down bag, we're going to put it underneath that line that we just made, and we are going to take our Sharpie and we are going to make a line. From that line, I want you to measure about 3 inches, which for this, I'm going to use that tape measure. And then from that line, we are going to measure the length of the bag one more time and draw another line. Okay, this bag is taller than this bag, which is why I use it for the height. Now I'm going to use this bag for the width. So we want to have about 1/2 inch on each side, and so we're going to go ahead and just make a line there so that we have 1/2 inch on both sides. From here, we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut all the way down, and then we're going to cut at our very last notch that we made over here. So now what we want to do is we want to bring the middle between these two lines up, and then we're going to fold it back onto itself like so. And then we're going to take that and fold it back over. So we have that accordion style bottom. Okay, this is important because that's the way our backcountry meals are made, and we want these to be able to sit up. So what I'm going to do from here is I am going to take a piece of tape and I am going to go ahead and just tape this in this position here. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Now what you want to do is you're going to take a piece of tape and you're going to go ahead and seal the sides. So I'm going to eyeball there. And we're going to go ahead and lay half of the tape on one side, flip it over, and seal. And we're going to do the same thing for the other side. Please Please note, guys, this is just to help keep your backpacking meal warm. So if it's not perfect, that's okay too. We're just keeping that meal a little bit warmer than it would be naturally. All right. So there we're starting to see that food cozy come into play here. So we have a space for our food with that accordion bottom. Everything's sealed up. All right, now we got to figure out how to close the lid. So we're going to take a piece of Velcro. Mine come in these big strips. You can buy little circle ones. The Velcro doesn't really matter. We're just looking for a way to seal that bag. So I'm going to cut this in half. And I'm actually going to cut it in half again. We're going to peel the backing off of the Velcro. Place on one side. Repeat 2 times. All right, then we're going to peel that backing off the other side of the Velcro. And then we're going to fold that top over and press down. So then the Velcro on the top flap is in the exact right place. And there you have it, guys. That is how you make a food cozy. So then your backcountry meal, once you put the water in, just goes right in there. You can seal it. Wait that 7 to 15 minutes depending on what style your backpacking meal is, and your food will be warm and ready for you to eat. Alright guys, I've officially made 5 backpacking cozies and I am so excited to give these to my friends on our next backpacking trip.
Ready?
Well, what is it? Is this for tanning? Is this to make hot pockets on the trail? Wait, for food?
Yeah!
That's so cool. Cute! And you made this?
Yeah.
Oh my God, are you selling these on Etsy?
No.
I would also love to give you guys one. So if anybody wants one, then go ahead and drop a comment below and I will pick a random winner to send one of these to. I hope that this has been helpful and informative and I hope to see you out on the trails. Have a good one, y'all.